Hello everyone, welcome to a new book talk. Today we are going to talk about books that are all centered around your mental health. As we're in this chaotic switch from distance to hybrid, I thought these would be good books to help you guys out with your transition. So first we have Project You by Aubrey Andrus. So this is a very help yourself book to find your balance, to calm down, de-stress, feel better about the situation you're in. So it has 50 do right now projects that are supposed to help you build positive routines, get you a little calmer at the end of the day. And these are all things you do in your everyday routine. So maybe meditating for 15 minutes or writing in a journal, things like that. So this is a great project book if you want to figure out how to have more positive routines in your everyday life. And then we have The Mindful Teen. This is a book about building skills to help you handle stressful situations. So with distance learning and COVID and all of the civil unrest and the election coming up, all of these can be very stressful situations. This book is built to help you be more mindful and to help you build skills so you can handle these stressful situations at any point in time. So I'd recommend this book if you need some skills to help you figure out how to handle stressful moments. And then we have The Anxiety Survival Guide for Teens. This is a book based in cognitive behavioral therapy, and it's going to give you tools for identifying where your anxiety is coming from, and then strategies on how to handle that anxiety in any situation, and more specifically, in the situations that cause your anxiety. So if coming to school in the middle of a pandemic gives you anxiety, this is going to give you tips and strategies for handling that so you can go about your everyday life. And then we have How to Like Yourself. So this is all about self-esteem. While we're in the pandemic, a lot of your world is digital, and that can be hard on your self-esteem, especially with social media. So this book is all about switching your mind frame and just building up a healthier self-esteem and some strategies for ignoring that inner voice in your head that's not so nice. And then we have A Teen's Guide for Getting Stuff Done. I don't know about you, but procrastination in distance learning is a lot easier than procrastination in class. So this book is not talking bad about procrastination. It is trying to help you figure out your procrastination style or type, and then creating habits that help you get things done within your type of procrastination. So it's a really cool book that shows you your strengths and then shows you how to be better at procrastination or to use procrastination to your advantage. And those are the books that I have on mental health. We have a lot more, so go check out Sora.